time.
Time for what? What are you talking
It's not
about?
connected. Okay. Okay, beginning. Okay.
As you gotta go ahead.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, officer.
Okay, first, state your names.
My name is the broccoli. How long?
Okay, there's a proof here that you stole the shoe, and this video is from surveillance camera in some random store. And it is you. Did you
Yes.
have anyone with you?
No, officer.
Okay, I have questions. So this is your first felony, right?
Yes, officer.
You have anything to say to him?
No, officer.
Do you?
I'm sorry. Yeah. Oh. It's okay. You don't go jail. Why you have your gun now?
Oh, I thought he was gonna, do something.
Help?
Alright. Sorry about that, boy.
Oh, that's it? Okay, thanks.
Hey, stop it!
Oh, what now?